Yes, hello guys. Derek here again, and today I would like to go deeper into this system called Prime Books. Yes, this is a system, like I told you earlier, it does sales, inventory, expenses, then it can also track customers, and many more functions a point of sale would do. So today, I'm going to take you through an introduction bit. In the first video, I told you this system is for free. Yes, this system is currently for free, and it has gotten a mobile app. It has also gotten a desktop version. Yes, so this system is here, just like you can see here, 100% freeze compliant. So if you want IFRS, you can also connect you. And these are the fees, though currently it is still free. So as of now, you will go straight to login after getting to the landing page. And we are going to log in from here. Yes, it loads a workspace when you log in. And these are the details which it is showing you. Shows you every details. Sorry about that. Shows you every details as you can see here. So I'll begin from this. I'm going to be explaining to you from up here. From here, you can see this is the App Store. App Store, these are features that will be implemented in future. Yes, if you want additional features, you will have to pay for them, like you can see here. Then the tracker. This tracker generates a report of all your transactions. Let's say if I click generate, automatically it will generate for us a report of everything it is telling me. There are so far 51 transactions, and the average sale is 39. And you can see, so it shows you each and everything that and how everything has been moving. Yeah. So I go to create cell. Here, create cell has a lot of features, and it has so many functions. Like you can see, you can create a receipt. You can as well create an invoice. If you're to create an invoice, then it will indicate for you the due date. Yes. So let me first go back to create a receipt. You can see here you have products. This company has only 2 products you need, and the rest are all services, like you can see there. So if you can't, then you can search for that very product. You can search for that very product and you will be able to put it in. Yes, if at all it's available. Then, if at all you don't find the product there, then you will go here on add product and add a product. When you click add product button, to bring you to another panel which will be showing you everything. For example, you can see if you're adding a product, add product button is there. You just need to click it, then it brings you to a form, and that form is where you would enter some of these items. Some of these fields are automatically generated, and you can also add a category there. You can select, if the supplier isn't there, you will put a supplier. if you're entering a product. Yes, then you put the product description. If you have, if you don't have, then it's okay. You continue and submit. After submitting, the list will expand because you have added a new product. That is products. Then for services, you don't need a supplier. So you just need to have to fill this form. The service name, the code can automatically generate, can select a category, you can put a price, and then the tax rate. If it's standard, it's 18% here in Uganda, and if it's not, can put it at 0. Yes, then the unit measure, you can also put it and then you save. After saving, also services will be expanded by 1. So for categories is okay. You can also add a category there. You can add stock, you can you can transfer some items. Like you see, there are some businesses which have more than one branch. So you would want to transfer credit or add more credit. Yes. Here it is showing you the store to this. That is it. I think that is it for this. Then if you want to see the total number of sales you have made, this list, this button will show you all the sales you have made. Then if you want to see invoices that you have so far made, still it will show you the invoices with their due dates. That is it. Then if I leave that part, then that means we can see binding, we can see rims. Let me try to invoice like one rim. And like I showed you in the first video, when the item is almost done and you enter it in the cart, it will show you out of stock. So it is telling me now the rim I only had one piece and I have put it in cart. This is it here, and it's now done. So if the price of a rim is 20, then it will be there. If it's not, then you can adjust. Yeah, can adjust. And so you will come to customers. After entering the item in the cart, you go to a customer, and the customer, you will enter the name here. If you have the customer's name, if you don't have, then you can add a new customer. Then if this is a walk-in client, then you don't need customer. You just continue and complete the sale. So it will bring you to a payment method which a customer is using. If I select credit, then if I select credit, then this customer must have a due date within which he's going to pay. If that is not the option would be, maybe if the option is mobile money, it will ask how would the client want to pay. Maybe right now we have an option of PesaPal. You can initiate the transaction from PesaPal, and then the client will be able to enter their PIN on the phone. So that is it. If I'm to add more, you can see this is also Quick Sell. Quick Sell is a modified version of the Create Sell. So there's nothing much there. There's nothing much on the Quick Sell. I'll go straight to customers. For customers, it will show you everything. This is the dashboard of customers. Then it will also show you the number of customers here. Then the credit customers that you have given some items on credit, it will also show you how much money is still outstanding. So here it will show you in case you want to fill a new customer, you can group those customers. Then you can also import for new companies. You can just come here, download the Excel. You just click here and it will automatically be downloaded. Then you fill that Excel. This is the Excel. Then you fill the Excel. After filling the Excel, you'll come and attach it here and you'll be good to go. The moment it is attached, that means you have uploaded your customers. So that is it for customers. For sales, I've already finished it. The other ones are quick buttons or quick actions, but this is in detail. Sales in details. You can also come here and maybe just for clarity, I want to show you. So this is Sales Hub and it shows you the statistics of how you have been making sales. Here, it will show you the top items that are making large amounts of transactions. You can even see the times when you are active. You can see the branches here, how the branches are performing. Yeah, that is it. So that is for sales. You can come here and see all the total number. You can see the analytics plus the credits. Yes, you would see how you're demanding these clients. So from there, I'll take you direct to inventory. And inventory, this is where clients or this is where businesses will add stock, will move stock, will adjust stock depending on how on all what you want. So here you can see it's the dashboard. It is showing the amount, the value of the stock that is available. It is going to show you here on the graph, graphically, how it is represented. Then it will also bring to you the recent activities that have been happening in case you want to see the data. Then here it has these quick action buttons. We have a raw stock, we have adjust stock, we have import stock or bulk upload. If at all you want to upload them at once, all the actions are here. That is it. Then we have movements and we have valuation, we have analytics. All those are functions that you can use. So for services, the same thing we saw earlier. Then we have finance and expenses. Finance and expenses just basically it shows you the expenses which are being spent in the company. And these are the things. These are the things. The expense list. It shows you the reports and it also can also state the budget. If at all the company has a budget of this much for a month, then you can state it so that it keeps you on track of how you're being or you're spending the company or business money. You can create an expense, you can create a report, you can also create a budget. Like you can see, so far these are the budgets I've created, and these budgets are the ones that in case I am spending any item here, like you can see I haven't spent so far, but in case I am spending, then it will be moving as per the amount I've given it. So when the amount I had budgeted for exceeds, it will warn you and notify you that the budget for transport or for electricity has passed. For reports, you can see as well, reports are also not different from the previous items. So you can save reports, create reports. You can even schedule reports that every evening you want to be receiving a report, and that report we should be showing you this, and this. So that is set automatically here, and it will be showing you how your business is performing. So yeah, that is it. For the case of reports, you can even create a report. Yes. Then you have this business combined business report. You can even see this one as well. Most of these are easy to understand. So what haven't I told you? We have user management where you can add a user, you can add a role, what a user should see. If I told you have a cashier and you don't want a cashier to be able to see maybe the general information of the company, you can also assign those ushers, sorry, those cashiers, what you want them to see to or to access. So you can add a user, you can assign roles, you can add new roles. If at all your cashier, you want your cashier to have different roles, you can as well give them that. Then you can even see the analytics of the users. So far we have 2 in this company, and active users I'm seeing 0, and it shows you even the date, the segments of dates, and the statistics of how they are performing. So you can even manage the staff. We have sessions here, we have device fingerprints, then you have the profiles, security setting, and notifications. And I think that is it for now. You have at least gone through, you have seen the basics the system can do. There are many more things. However, I am not going to finish all of them in this very video. I will create one more just to show you each and everything in details on how you can register, how you can create a sale, how you can introduce, you can register, or you can put your details or your items in the system. So I'll be showing you all those from the time where you register from. So this is it for this very video. Allow me close it here, and we meet again.